Vacation time! What a great sunny day! Look, all the cars are on the way to countryside to have some fun! Hold on a second. What's wrong with this little fella? Hey pal, you better get ready. It's vacation time and you shouldn't feel sad. Oh no, you gotta go see Bibi. I'm sure he'll help you out. He always does.
Bibi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. Bibi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. Bibi's fixes all these orders.
Today wasn't too busy for Bibi, so he took his chance and cleaned up the workshop.
Brilliant! Whoa! I thought everyone left. Didn't you know it's vacation time? Why are you still here?
And our friend told Bibi how he wanted to join others and go see the lake and the mountains with the rest of the cars.
Ah,
He said he wanted to take his bike and a boat,
so?
but then he remembered that he didn't know where to put all those things because his trunk is too small.
I get it. Well, don't worry. We'll get you ready in no time. Right, guys? Well. So where shall we start? Oh, I know. Let's get you a new tow bar. A tow bar is a special device to which you can hook up a trailer. Excellent! Now you can take all the things that are too big for the trunk. Only, we should get you a trailer first. Let's see what options do we have.
What about this?
Nah, too big.
How about this?
Nope. This one's too small for a boat.
What about this one?
Oh, right! That's better! Okay, what is next? Now let's put up a bike carrier right up your roof. If you want to take bicycle with you, you definitely need one of those.
Let's try this.
Are you kidding me? It's a grill grate.
What about this?
Ooh, no way! It's a window grate.
Then what about this?
Hoo-hoo! Yep, that's the one! Looks like you're ready to go on vacation, pal. Have a great time, my friend. See ya!
And so our little friend was equipped for the trip and could finally join his friends and spend some good quality time in the country. Thanks a lot, Bibi!